That's connected to the one right next to
Well, that's where I took fire from.
No, I already killed the guy.
Did you?
Killed like 4 of them in there.
Okay. How far?
Oh, they're right in front of me. The white thing right there. The white thing in front of the truck. The flipped over truck.
Flipped over truck. I don't see the white thing, Jacob.
Looks like a jet ski or something.
It's gray. Shit, terrible throw. Yeah, I got no viz on this guy.
He's coming from the other side of the berm.
Here, cover me. Cover me. God, does it count?
My bad, bro, my bad. I didn't know you had to push this far. I'm sorry. My bad. He came around. You know, I was just on the ready. I heard him talking. I didn't know.
Friendly? We got 2 friendlies back there, and we got a lot of fucking people over there doing absolutely nothing.
Brown or green?
Green. All the tan is at the Connex.
We came all the way from Mound, bro.
Right there, that Connex. It's clear?
My bad about that, dude, for real.
Shit happened.
Like the flag.
What do y'all want to do?
I'm going back right to the Connex. Go check it.
Wanna go your way? Let's follow them. Go. You said center? He's down?
Dark green?
No, he's tan, he's tan.
Okay.
Sneaky multi-cam.
I got that one. I'm up.
All right. I need a frag. Go, good cover. I'm out of frogs.